Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plug on a Honda lawnmower. So here's my lawnmower, and if you can see this, I got this from Advanced Auto Parts. Okay, because if you use a normal wrench you can't reach the spark plug. Alright, so let's get started. So first thing I typically do is I turn off the fuel. Okay, and this is on, so I turn off the fuel just as a precautionary measure. Okay, it doesn't matter, but better to do that. Okay, and then go over here. You see the spark plug right in the front, so you just pull this out, and that's the old spark plug. And this wrench that I have, I got it for just $4 from Advanced Auto Parts. So let's see if it does the job. Okay, so I had to apply a little bit of force, but there you go. It's turning. Okay, that's the old spark plug right over there. Time to put in the new spark plug. So be sure that you get the Honda spark plug. What I did is, I got the wrong spark plug from Home Depot. Okay, it had a red color cover, and I thought it was Honda. So be sure you get the right spark plug. So I'm just gonna put this in manually and keep turning it until I feel some resistance. There you go. Okay, so I'm feeling the resistance. Now I can use the wrench. Right. There you go. Yeah. Don't try to use too much force. Think a little bit is enough. Alright. So that's that. And now put on the cover. There you go. And now let's test the mower. Okay, I'm going to turn on the fuel again over here. So this is on, and let's try to start the lawnmower.